Hey Norm, just a couple of things with the Jowett method landing page. I need you to make a couple of changes. So the first one is, I think at the moment there's three steps, there's three pages. So we need to extend that to four and create another page, which will be the landing page. So at the moment, this here is the landing page. I think so. The issue is on the landing page there's before and after images like these, and we can't run before and after images on Facebook as ads. And I think doing that at the moment, the ads are getting flagged because they're on the landing page as well. So what I want you to do is, can you just create a new page? You can use exactly the same layout, and then just grab this video and maybe just put the video on the top, and then just have the Jowett method with the video, and then a button that says join the tribe or join the Jowett method now. And then the button will go through to the second page, which will be this. So on this should be the second page now. You can remove the video from the second page, add it onto the first one, and it'll just split this page up into two separate pages. So we'll just have the Jowett method, weight loss mindset community, with a video all in the one fold with a button saying join the Jowett method now. Then that button should go through to this second page, which will have that video removed, and then the page can stay the same after that. Let me know when you've done that, because we'll need to also update the pixels on there. So let me know if you've got any questions. Thanks.